Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make restaurant style chicken Manchurian recipe. You will really love this recipe. You can have it along with any type of fried rices. Just give it a try. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of chicken with bones. Add 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 egg, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can fry the chicken pieces. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add the chicken pieces. And fry until it becomes light brown color on medium flame. Transfer it into a plate. Keep aside for later use. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 chopped green chili. Mix it and saute it for 1 minute on medium flame. Then add 1 chopped onion, 1 medium-sized capsicum. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then keep it low flame and we can add the sauces. Add 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 2 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Also add half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Take 1/4 cup of water and mix 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add this to it. Mix it well. Now add the fried chicken pieces.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
And mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Finally, add half chopped capsicum pieces and garnish our recipe. Our restaurant style chicken Manchurian recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 5 to 6 portions.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.
Para, para, para.